guys, today I would like to share with you how I made this for my studio, because I love my studio and I want to decorate its very fantasy world, because I want to some little piece of my imagination to be in my studio. So this is what we gonna make it. So as you see here is a wood, and I have to do silicone on the back of this wood because I don't want to resin gonna be all the liquid to go all the messy all around. So I'm mixing resin, blue, green, yellow, all the colors together to create something very fantasy, something unusual. So this is all resin. I mix it with color. So after that, I have to leave this resin for until morning to let it dry. And after drying the resin, I will decorate with dry flowers, with natural flower, plastic flower, whatever you like, or glitters like you see in a video. So after this, I decide to paint this decoration with green color. I love green color. This is something associated with forest, fairy, something like that. So after I paint it, I'm using just natural paint, wood paint, and I'm gonna leave for until this paint get dry. As you can see, I decorated with some artificial grass, flowers, dry flowers, plastic flowers, and some pumpkins. And after that, I decided to sculpt my little tiny fairy. She's so gonna be very tiny. So after decorating this tiny fairy, I will do some other decoration, as you can see on the video. So like that. So I'm gonna do the roof because I don't want to bake it, because it's all this glued. I don't want to ruin it. I will use milliput clay. Milliput clay is really good. It's really amazing. A really strong clay. But what is different between this clay? You just mix it. You mix two clay together. Yeah. When you mix the clay together, it will start after a couple of hours. I will tell you how many hours. Start hardened after 2-3 hours. All right. I will mix all together. When you mix it, you make sure to, I'm gonna mix half because I'm gonna finish one of the part roof, and I'm gonna finish other part roof. It's really good clay. It's it dries so quickly. Okay. Guys, milliput clay is dry now, like we did. I left all night, as you see, all really dry. It's very hard. And now I'm gonna paint to the green color. I prepared the color. I'm gonna start painting to the roof.